How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Without further ado, let's begin. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap your profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap three-line icon at top right corner to access menu. Now you need to choose Account Center from top. Scroll down, tap Your Information and Permission and select Download Your Information. Now choose Download or Transfer Information. Select your Instagram account and tap on Next button. Now choose Some of your information. Scroll down. Now look for Messages and check mark it and select Next button. Choose Download to device. Then you need to create files. After that, you simply need to see that the Instagram has been created the file. Now Instagram will process the request and send a download link to your email when the file is ready. Open the email and click the link and download the zip file. Extract the zip file on your device. Open the extracted folder and navigate to your activity. Then go to messages. Find and open the deleted chat you want to recover. That's it. Now you can retrieve deleted messages from your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.